Truck accident lawyer in the New York City. If you are looking for a car accident lawyer in New York City, it's important to find an experienced attorney who specializes in personal injury and has of track record of handling truck accident cases. These lawyers can help you navigate the complex legal process and fight for you insights to compensation. If you have been injured in a truck accident, here are some steps to help you find qualified truck accident lawyer in the New York City. Start with online research. Begin your search by looking for truck accident lawyers in New York City. Online, you can use search engines, legal directories, or websites like Avvo, FindLaw, or Martinelli Hubble to find potential attorneys. Seek referrals, ask friends, family members, or colleagues for recommendations. If they have had positive experiences with personal injury lawyer in past, they may be able to provide valuable referrals. Contact local bar association, the New York City Bar Association, and the New York State Bar Association can provide you with referrals to reputable lawyers in your area. Read reviews and ratings, review online and testimonials and ratings for previous clients to get an idea of an attorney's reputation and past successes. Schedule consultation and contact a few potential lawyers to set up initial consultation. Many lawyers offer free or low-cost initial consultations to discuss your case and evaluate whether they can help you. Ask the right questions during consultation. Ask questions about the lawyer's experience in handling truck accident cases, their case rates, and their understanding of the relevant laws and regulation. Access communication and report. Pay attention to how you help communicate. While you communicate with the attorney during the consultation, it's important to work with someone you feel comfortable with and trust. Consider fees and payment arrangements. Discuss the attorneys and fees and payments structure during the consultation. Many personal injury lawyers work on a contingency fee basis, meaning they only get paid if you win your case. Verify credentials. Make sure